September 1977, a group of tardigrades slipped by NASA engineers and accidentally found their way on board the Voyager 1 space probe. Voyager rocketed into space, and the tardigrades survived for decades in a cryptobiotic state. November 2023. The probe mysteriously lost contact with Earth. Unbeknownst to everyone, Voyager 1 had in fact entered a wormhole, exposing the tardigrades to unknown realms, realities, and intelligent life. They show signs of having been exposed to incredible alien technology and genetic manipulation. The alien beings also transformed the tardigrades into purely digital beings, sent them back to Earth, and directly to the blockchain. Today, the Quantumbiosis Tardigrades are alive and well, living on the Ethereum blockchain, waiting for you to make contact and discover the interstellar secrets they may hold.